you've got your brand new Whoop, but you don't like the default band that came with it. Maybe you've purchased a nice band like this cloud knit band here that's way more flexible and comfortable, and you want that on your Whoop instead, but you're not exactly sure how to swap out the bands. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that, how to swap out any different band for the Whoop 5.0 and MG. So let's jump straight into this. And off the hop, Whoop 5.0 and MG bands are cross-compatible. I have two MG bands here in front of me. I have the Whoop MG device. I'm often wearing just a 5.0 band with my Whoop MG. So they are interchangeable. The one thing that I will note is you need the MG bands to be able to take an ECG reading. So if you have the MG and you're using a non-MG band, it's going to work just fine, but you need the MG band if you want to take an ECG. You're not going to be able to take it with a regular band. Now, on to actually swapping out the bands. You're going to unclasp it. There is a slider here on the right-hand side of this device. Slides off like that. On the other side, you've got these prongs that sit inside the Whoop. You literally just pull on them. Really, really simple. Just pull it out like so. It pops out. Now this band is off. We want to add our other band on. Same process here. The slider goes over the sliding end just like so, and then you pull the device around, okay? You clip in the little prongs here on the clasp into the hole in the side of the Whoop. Nice and simple. You can just fiddle with it until you find it, and then we're right back. We can clip the new band on, nice and simple, and now I've got my nice cloud knit band instead. Couple of things to make note of. Whoop did improve the design with the 5.0 bands. So 5.0 bands are not compatible with the 4.0 device. MG and 5.0 interchangeable. 4.0 and 5.0 not interchangeable. They've actually changed this clasp. One of the problems with the old device was it was almost too uniform on both sides of the slider, and so you could slide it in the wrong way and it would get stuck because it wasn't a perfect fit, and then you'd break the band. So they've addressed that problem this time around. There's no way you can fit this on upside down. It's like really hard. You're going to notice it's wrong right away. So there is a proper side, a more obvious proper side to slide this slider on. That's a nice improvement. One other thing to note about the Whoop strap when you are adjusting it is sometimes the clasp at the end here where the W logo is can actually pop off. It's just loosely connected to the actual clasp piece, and so this is one of the more annoying things. This is a feature, it's the way it's designed, and you didn't break it if this happened, but it can be a little bit annoying sometimes. Just if you're even just trying to adjust the band, it pops off. Don't worry, it's easy to fix. You just literally hook it back on. My suggestion is that you have the clasp connected to the device when you go to hook it back on. That way you're making sure that you are rehooking it the right direction, because I could rehook this in upside down, and sometimes it can be a little bit unclear which way is right side up and upside down unless I've already got the clasp connected properly, in which case then it becomes really easy to identify that this is the right way to clasp it, and yeah, boom, pops back on like so. So that is just one thing to be aware of. If you are having issues with that, it can be annoying, but it is an easily solvable problem. That's going to do it for this video though. Hopefully you guys found this straightforward and useful. If you liked the video, leave a like. It's a great way to show your support. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And of course, subscribe for more Whoop related content, tutorials, info videos, all that sort of stuff. If that interests you, subscribe so you don't miss those videos. With all that said, thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you all in the next one.